everyone and welcome. I am Anya Rawat and today we are here at covering the 11th Global Literary Fest, Noida, and today I am covering the Department of SOSP where people have captured the few great cultural movement of them. Today we are here with Dr. Shahi Shaika, who is Dean of SOSP. Hello ma'am.
Hi.
And how was the motivation behind all of this that created by your students?
Our students are motivated from day one, the day they join campus AAFT. There is a lot of motivation in them. We don't need to motivate them. I guess our students are so enthusiastic about this exhibition that they have motivated us to come up here, set up with them. I'm so proud of my team and all the students who are part of my School of Still Photography.
And what was the motto behind all of the exhibition you have portrayed?
The motto behind is culture of varied parts of India. Students from all parts of India, the photos over here are from goddesses to landscape to portraiture. So every genre has been taken care of, and we are displaying, like right behind you is a picture of a goddess because it's a Navratri week. So we'll be starting with this picture, and moving forward you have pictures from all the genres. So student specific genre, the genre of their choice, that's all displayed over here.
And how much time it took for the students to click?
It depends upon what genre you're clicking. Some of the students have been clicking photos throughout the semester, and we have been shortlisting them. They have been going again and again clicking to get the best shot. So photography is not something you get in a day. So some are there, some have been going out for weeks, some for months. And from last 6 months, they have been working extremely hard for this exhibition to come up to this level where we can exhibit them.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Anuja.
And what was the motto behind this beautiful picture you captured?
Okay, so this is the image I clicked in Lodi Garden. As you can see, it's about light and shadow. So this monument basically shows like rigidness and stillness, and this girl is showing flexibility and motion. It's basically creating a contrast in image.
As we can see, this picture was also captured by Anuja. Let us give her to brief it.
So this is clicked by using eyes. This is basically a macro shot. I want to show you like details inside the eyes which we can't see by our naked eyes, you know. So as you see light, I place the light at the side so the details will get shadow also and light also. So like that.
Hi, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Tarun Umar. I'm from BA3, School of Still Photography.
And this was captured by you. What was the motto behind it?
This was captured by me on Yamuna Ghat near Delhi. The main motive was to capture is there is kind of simplicity in this image. As you can see the boy, the amount of जो सादगी बोलते हैं हिंदी में वो उसके चेहरे पे दिख रही है, and see that rusty kind of plaster वगैरह निकला रखा है. That shows ki how that boy is living, and this red color is kind of a contrast in photography language. And as you can see on the left side of the boy, there is some spirituality also going on just outside of his house, and also basically it is telling a story like ki simplicity and the curiosity of some boy having his dreams to come true and all. So.
As we can see, this vibrant culture has brought all of us together. And for further updates, stay connected to AAFT 24/7 Noida. I am your reporter Anna Rawat with video journalist Anmol Chauhan.